the end of the weekend.
He loves the camera.
That's enough. That's enough. Come on. You waving all in the camera. Come on.
You know what it is.
Let's go here so we can be.
My cousins in Louisiana taught him how to do a selfie with a duck face, so now you give him a selfie. Look, I'm like, we're not doing no
open
duck
it up.
face. Exactly.
You open it?
You open it?
Yeah, so
Open it.
come here. You so too busy trying to show out for the camera. Ooh. You see that? Here. You ain't even paying attention. That's your headphones. But come here. Hey! He trying to show it to his brother. Come here, Mama. Look. Come. You say, oh, go on and take to the camera. Tell the camera people. Say, look. Say, look. This is what I got. Wave it into the camera. Say hi. Look. Say hi. Look.
Look.
There you go. Now he's doing a product review. Okay. So here's your other one. Look. Look, Poo Poo. Look. Wow. You don't even know what it is. Come on, wow. Look. You got a tablet. You see that? Okay. They see you saying hi.
He loves the camera.
Look.
Mirrors and pink one.
Coverage. When it say blue. What color is that? That ain't blue. That's pink. Pink. Say pink.
Your headphones are blue.
He said blue. That's what it's supposed to be.
You can buy. Hi.
You about to get your hair cut? You said hi? You get your hair cut now, huh? Oh, Uncle go cut your hair.
Hey, look, bro.
Hi. Takes a village to cut hair. I'm gonna start the process of redoing this closet. I had intended on getting up and going to Lowe's and getting some pretty hangers and all that, but the way my life is set up, that ain't gonna work for me, not today. So maybe I will get the hangers later, but this closet is a thorn in my side. So just watch me as I do what is necessary to get this thing in order. It may take me a few days, but it will happen.
Got the biggest heart. Sometimes I think you're just too. Got the biggest heart. Sometimes I think you're just too. Got the biggest heart. Sometimes I think you're just too. Got the biggest heart. Sometimes I think you're just too
The next time I tell y'all I'm gonna organize some shit, tell me no, okay? Look at the mess I done created for myself, you know? Look at this. Little by little, I'm getting it up. But I just don't have the energy. Look at my room, man. All because of one closet. It's a hot mess in here. And man, I've been doing this all day. Now, I will say the closet is coming together, right? It's coming together. I have yet to even go through these drawers. I don't know what's in it. All I know is it's time for me to purge some things. It ain't gonna happen today. It's gonna happen. So this is the thing though. After doing this closet, now, because I was thinking I'm just going to do this one closet today, right? That's all I'm going to do is this one closet. So now, after doing that closet, I'm forced to I'm forced to fix this one because I had to move things in here. I got boxes on the ground that I need to go through. Like, I'm telling you, like, look at that. So now I am forced to, now, listen, it's not gonna happen today. It's not gonna happen today. I don't know when it's gonna happen. I'm gonna get this stuff up. A lot of this stuff is gonna go to trash. I wish I could be honest or not honest. I wish I could be one of those and say, hey, I'm gonna go ahead and donate this stuff to charity, but I can't guarantee that because I honestly don't feel like going through this stuff. And a lot of this stuff been in the closet for 2 years, the whole time I've been living here. So in my mind, I don't need it, right? Things that I've come across that I know I haven't worn, I just left them in the bag. And then the thing about it is, I continue to buy things. Continue. And it's like, it's bad. And I say it every video, man, I need help. And that's one of the things I've talked to my therapist about. It's just like, there's got to be some type of coping mechanism with me always feeling like I need to buy stuff, right? I don't know if I'm trying to make myself feel better, make up for not having something, whatever the case may be, childhood, I don't know. All I know is crazy. I got shoes I haven't even worn. When I'm cleaning out the closet, I got clothes with tags on it that I have yet to wear. And that is absolutely ridiculous. So yeah, y'all not gonna be able to see the finished product. You're able to see it just enough where you see I have been working all day. I've been working all day to get this thing done. It's just not gonna happen today. No, it ain't gonna happen. I'm sorry. It's not gonna happen today, and I don't feel bad about it. I'm not ashamed. Shit, I mean, hell. Bye. What's going on, y'all? I am here. I'm about to go and get my nails done. You see, I take the more purple ass nails off because the people did not do my nails properly. So I have been recommended to go to a different nail spot. Don't tell nobody, but I called in called in late or left early. It's what I should say. So anyway, yeah, so I'm gonna let y'all know and see what my nails is looking like. That's what I am doing today. Then I haven't taken Mom to the nail shop with me in a cool minute because every time I go to the nail shop, it costs me $250. And yeah, she got enough out of me for right now. So when she get her little supplement, then I'll make a nail appointment for her. But for right now, it's about your girl. So I'll let y'all know when I get back with y'all. I'm gonna let y'all see the nails. Bye. So I got my nails done, and these are it. I'm gonna have to show y'all in the light. I started filming in there, and then they punk asses wanted me to turn the camera off or whatever. I'm like, I'm filming my nails. I'm not, the lady wasn't in the screen, none of that. It's just my nails. So how, whatever. So what I'm finding out on being a damn YouTuber, it is very hard to, I ain't gonna say hard, it's awkward to allow to film everywhere you go, because people snickering. I'm like, can I film my nails for my YouTube channel? So the first lady, she doing my nails, she ain't saying nothing, but you know, they get to talking in their own little language or whatnot. And then it's, oh, you can't film in here. But I had already been filming for a good 5 or 10 minutes. You know, anyway, it is what it is. I got a little bit of footage, just enough for the video, which is all good. And I'm on my way home. So, and it's early still, so it's only 6 o'clock. I will be able to throw my mama something on real quick without having to buy anything, because I don't feel like cooking, but I'm really trying not to buy anything anyway, because my money ain't that long. So anyway, y'all, so I will show you a better angle of my nails before before the end of the vlog. Okay, bye. So anyway, y'all, I am back from the nail shop, and these are the nails, honey. These are the nails. They look 1,000% better than the place that I used before. It's like a 30-minute drive. Focus, yeah. So it's like a 30-minute drive from the house, and I like them. And they're probably about the same price as the place that I normally go to, so I'll probably do that. But anyway, I'm gonna make this the end of the vlog, y'all, because I gotta start getting ready for the next one. We got Christmas coming up, so the next vlog will include Christmas Eve, cookie baking. Family is coming over, and we've done the Secret Santa, but I always go above and beyond and buy everybody gifts. And we'll just see what the rest of the week holds, okay? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my video. This YouTube thing is hard, honey. It's hard. And I appreciate all the support from all 20 of y'all. From all 25 of y'all, because that's about the average viewership. But that's going to change. In 2022, we got this thing, okay? So in 2022, be prepared to have company on this channel, okay, loves? All right, so this is Miss Tonya's World, and I'm out for today.
Where are you? Where are you? Where are you? Where are you? It's the end of the weekend, but I still wanna turn up. Yeah, I still wanna